Imagine waking up one morning and finding yourself in a world that feels too good to be real. The cramped bedroom and early morning rush are gone. Instead, you're in an elegant suite with views of a tranquil ocean, sparkling under the early morning sun. On a beautifully set table, golden croissants, fresh berries, and a steaming espresso await, while the subtle fragrance of jasmine fills the air. A gentle melody drifts through the room, adding to the peaceful, luxurious atmosphere. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality that an online empire owner experiences every day. A life of freedom where you choose where to live, set your own hours, and watch your bank balance grow, all while enjoying life's finest moments. This is the surreal life of building an online empire. The internet has revolutionized the way we connect, creating opportunities to reach millions of potential customers around the globe. This vast digital marketplace is a powerful engine for wealth creation, enabling entrepreneurs to generate multiple revenue streams and unlock opportunities that were once unimaginable. Another key factor behind the rapid emergence of billionaires in this industry is the scalability of online business technologies. Unlike traditional businesses, which often require substantial investments in infrastructure and manpower to grow, online businesses can scale exponentially with minimal additional costs. This ability to scale quickly enables entrepreneurs to access larger markets, increase revenues, and achieve rapid growth, all without the burden of high overhead costs. Achieving this level of success doesn't rely on luck or extraordinary circumstances. It's about building something meaningful step by step. With the power of an online business, you can create an income stream that works for you no matter where you are. This is the magic behind what we call the eighth wonder, the ability to create wealth rather than simply earning money. The truth is, there's a big difference between money and wealth. Money is what you earn by trading your time and effort, while wealth is the fortune that grows without your direct involvement. Wealth is about making money while you sleep and watching it continue to grow, even as you enjoy quality time with family and friends or relax on vacation. The best part? You don't need a massive startup capital or a high-end office to get started. With dedication, smart strategies, and the right resources, anyone can create an online business that provides both financial freedom and the lifestyle of their dreams. If building an online business sounds like the path you want to take, you don't have to figure it out alone. The Online Empire Builders YouTube channel is here to help you turn your dreams into reality. On this channel, we explore exciting new opportunities and provide practical tips, expert strategies, and real-life examples. With this knowledge and guidance, you'll gain the confidence to take the steps necessary to achieve the success and freedom you've always dreamed of. This channel introduces a wide range of online business models, from e-commerce and affiliate marketing to content creation and digital products. Whether you're interested in starting an online store, launching a blog, or exploring the world of dropshipping, you'll find step-by-step guides on how to build and grow each business. Success in online business isn't just about hard work. It's about mastering the winning formulas that truly make a difference. These little-known techniques and strategies can set you apart from the competition. On this channel, you'll discover exclusive insights that are often hard to find anywhere else. If you're ready to dive into the world of online business and build your own empire, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and let's begin building your online empire together.